This guy over here is a new turtle mold I got. Bright Side of Resin is where this guy came from. And I am just going to pour first a little bit of clear. Just want to get the little bubbles popped out of there first. And I'm going to give it a little squirts of alcohols, but I don't see it. So we're just going to lay a nice layer down here first. And we'll try and leave just a little room for a back covering on there. And we are going to use our new alcohol inks again. But we are going to use now our Tiffany. And we're just going to drop it in. I'm not doing a bloom or anything. We're just doing the alcohol drops. And the lemon. I'll just do a little hint of that bronze. Just to give it a little hint of something. I don't have to take over too much. Now, we are going to grab our white alcohol ink. I can see where I put it down here. It's definitely separated, so I got to give that a good shake up. Not sure where my little ball bearing went in this guy, but you can see it's getting there. So that is not doing what I want it to do. Okay, that is no good. It's a very large bottle here. This, however, is an old bottle too. So I don't know if it's going to work.
So this larger bottle was also an old bottle. I also didn't have a dropper top for it, so I just stuck my silicone resin tool in there, dipped it around, swirled it around, and then dropped what I could onto the resin piece.
Okay. So we'll see what happens with this. I'm really not sure. Whoa, just stick my finger in it. We'll be back for that one. And I have this little guy here. He's holographic, so I need to make him a darker color. And to do that, not that this is a dark color, but I am adding this Mateo Aurora into it. And then we'll add another color with that, which is going to be green. A dark green. And that dark green is the Just Resin Emerald Green. Throw this upside down and leaky all over. Get it mixed up. Definitely need to get this resin used, because it is warm. So I'll have to find something else, because I'm pretty sure this is far more than that little hummingbird will take. Wipe my stick off. And into our little hummingbird it goes. Alrighty. Now we're gonna see what happens here. We'll just give this a little swirly swirly. All right, so this guy still needs a back coat, but we can demold these now. And this is the Into Resin turtle mold. Oh, he's gorgeous, isn't he? I love this mold. Also, you can check down in my description below. I do have discount codes to Into Resin. You can get 20% off and other various vendor discounts. Get our little paws out. I love how this color turned out. Again, it was the Just Resin, no, Just For You. It is Just Resin Emerald. And I added some of that Mateo Aurora Mica. I mean, these are all the same. Other little turtle guy here. I think this one came from Temu. Our pretty Monstera. These are pretty soft still. And then we have our little hummingbird. This is a new mold I just got. This is from the Bright Side of Resin, along with this turtle. Again, we're not unmolding this turtle yet. I've got to put a back coat on it. But this Hummer has a holographic side on it. Look at that. Love that. I don't know how I got weird little white drops in it. Don't know what those are, but other than those, actually I kind of think I do know what those are. I was trying to put white into here to sink some of the alcohol inks, and it must have popped over and I never realized it. But he is gorgeous. All right, stick around. We're gonna do this guy. We're gonna put a back, probably just clear back on him. We'll be back. Alrighty, we are ready to fill this guy. Our resin is all run through the demoldler. And now we are going to just finish his backside. And then we will be back for the demold. Get this over here, help it along. I may have filled that up a little bit much. What do you think? I'll just grab some of this and put it back in here. That seems a little bit better. Get a little bit more out. All right, this will be good. Stick around for demold in a minute. All right, let us demold these. Kind of moving these guys off to the side here. We do have some nice little turtle guys here. These guys are still pretty soft just because they've not been in the G3 like everything else. We'll just leave the rest of those. All right, all of this has been in the G3 machine, so you're cured up. Here is ResinQueen. You can see I definitely, when I moved it, it squished out along the sides here. Gorgeous. Let's trim up the tail here. It's still nice and, not nice and soft, but soft that I can do this little trim up here, and then we'll go back once it's firmer with the burring tool. I just love stingrays, manta rays. I just think they're all awesome. We're gonna do these two last. And we've got these tiny little dragonflies from ResinQueen shop. Oh my gosh. She also said they're dragonflies or fireflies. I think they're dragonflies myself. And I think they're absolutely adorable. They get in frame here. There we go. They're all the same, it's just made with extra resin that I had here. Ooh, they're still very bendy. Come on, there we go. Super cute. And those are those guys. Got our bigger turtle here. Come on, stay in frame. Focus. That guy there. Come on. There we go. Stay in focus. Hello. Back to ResinQueen. Oops. Where did that guy go now? Nice little moon. We'll do our big into resin turtle. Gorgeous. And more of our ResinQueen molds turtle here. Come on, little friend. Cutest little turtle guy. And our little bunny. Cute little bunny. Here comes Peter Cottontail. Up and down the bunny trail. And these are little koi fish, overfilled. I got a little bubble on that one. So, come on, big guy. Oh my God, how adorable. So precious. So cute. Come on, my little friends. Come on out. 1 and 2. So these should be mirror images of each other. So if you want to make earrings, they would hang as little earrings to each other. Although these two do look different. They are actually different, but you could still use them as earrings. All right. All those little extras are done. And now, let's do the hummingbird.
Unfortunately, I didn't get footage of the unmolding of the hummingbird or the turtle, and then I started immediately painting the turtle. So all that is some white acrylic paint, and I just took my silicone tool and I am basically painting it across the turtle to fit into all those etched areas.
All right, I'm going to spray this with a little alcohol. And then I'm going to drag it over our turtle just to pick up some of that extra paint. Look at all that there. Okay, another one. I'm just going to keep going over this with the paper towel with alcohol on it. Just make sure we get all that extra paint cleaned off of there and from around the edges as well. And then he will be done. So I'm going to thank everybody for tuning in today. I hope you like this turtle. I know I've done smaller pieces that have some of the etching. This is the first really larger one I've ever done. I want to thank all of my subscribers. I greatly appreciate you. If you're not subscribed, maybe think about it. It doesn't cost you a cent, but it does do a great deal for my channel. All YouTube channels to subscribe, but also watching our videos. And quick little tip, if you didn't know, maybe you don't have time to watch the video, maybe it's a longer video, you still want to watch it, don't fast forward through it, but you can actually go into your settings and you can click the speed button. And you can change the speed of the playback, so you can change it to 1.2, 1.5, 1.75, you can change it to 2. So you can play it in just super speed instead of fast forwarding. And that actually works better for everybody's YouTube channels if you do it that way instead of fast forwarding. Fast forwarding, those algorithms don't like that. I also have memberships if anyone is interested. It is $3.99 a month. Anything made through that or a buy me a coffee goes directly back into buying items to help make this content. So I appreciate you all. Don't forget to check out the description box because I have lots of coupon codes that will save you money on your next purchases with certain vendors. And with that, thank you again. Thank you, everybody. We'll get this guy finished cleaning up, but that's basically how you do it. And I'll just keep going over this and going over these edges and get rid of that. But thank you all. Stay tuned for the beauty shots. We had a lot of extra makes in this one because I made a lot of resin, and I'll put those in the beauty shots too. All right, take care, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.
I'm two fat birds creative, a one-bird show of art and glue. I pour, I paint, I let it fly. The glitter sticks, so do I. Each fly